Hello friends. Today we're going to talk about how to get started on the Flylady system. As a person coming into this system in the beginning, you're going to want to know some specific things to do, realizing that there is no magic bullet and you're not going to get your house cleaned overnight. So if you've got company coming tomorrow and you're trying to do the Flylady system today, you're not going to have very much success. I do have some things called chaos cleaning, which you can look up in this channel, which you can do, which will help. But I'm talking about how to learn the Flylady system, how to do the Flylady system. Now I have a video called How to Do the Flylady System for Newbies on this channel. It's quite old, but it's still good and it's still true. But today I'm just going to break down a little bit of that and teach you or tell you how to do the Flylady system in the very beginning. What are you going to do on day one? If you go to the original Flylady website at flylady.net, which you can do, you will see Marla Silly, and she'll be talking about starting with cleaning your sink. I don't particularly insist that you do that. I also don't insist that you wear shoes. There's some things that I do think you should do though, and those things are begin with your morning routine. You don't have a routine, so how do you build that? The morning routine is these things. It's getting up out of the bed on time, making the bed, washing your face, moisturizing your skin, brushing your teeth. If you wear a little makeup, put it on, comb your hair, swish the toilet bowl, wipe out the sink, go swish all the other toilet bowls and wipe out all the other sinks. If I didn't already say it, after you make your bed, do put your clothes on. Get dressed for the day. Then go into the kitchen and put your dishes away from last night. Empty the dishwasher or empty the drain rack or both. And then make yourself a cup of coffee or a little bit of breakfast. That is the morning routine. That is the thing that you're going to do every day for the rest of your life, and that is the thing that's going to set up your day. So again, the morning routine is the first thing. You have to decide, so if you're going to start tomorrow morning, you want to decide what time do you need to get up? What time do you have to go to bed? Because if you don't have good rest, you aren't going to be the best you that you can be. You're not going to be the best mother. You're not going to be the best friend, the best wife, the best sister, the best daughter, the best homemaker, and the best good friend to yourself. You're not. You need your rest. So if you need to get up at 6, then go to bed at 10 or 11 at the latest. If you need to get up at 8, then go to bed at 11 or 12 or 1 at the latest. I hope that you're not doing that. I really do. But I'd like you to get 8 hours sleep, and know that it takes about a half hour to relax and go to sleep. If you're drinking coffee, drinking a lot of water, drinking a lot of cold drinks, by cold drinks I mean sodas, you're eating a lot of sugar late at night, or even some, you're drinking a lot of water before you go to sleep, you're not going to sleep well. You're going to have to get up and go to the bathroom, or you're going to have so much caffeine and sugar cruising through your body, it's going to be really hard for you to relax and go to sleep. So do work on that, trying to get yourself ready for bed on time. Ready for bed mentally and physically. And then do your before bed routine. This is the second thing we do, and actually the second thing is the most important thing. It's the keystone, the cornerstone to all the routines you do, and that one is the before bed routine. Before bed, you need to have taken a shower, brushed your teeth, washed your face, moisturized your skin, put on your pajamas, picked out your clothes for the next day, flossed your teeth, and gotten in bed. It's a very simple routine. Now there are some other little things I'd like you to do as you progress, and one of those would be to make sure that all the dishes have been put in the dishwasher. You turn the dishwasher on and run it. Actually, you need to do that right away because you want to have clean dishes in the morning. So when you do your morning routine, you start with an empty sink, an empty drain rack, an empty dishwasher, so that when you create dishes, you have some place to put them, and you're either going to wash them and put them in the drain rack, or you're going to scrape them and put them in the dishwasher. And you won't have that piling up situation in your kitchen. None of this is going to help you with the clutter that's in your house. It's not going to help you with the dirt that's in your house. It's not going to help you with the excess boxes that are in your house. It's not going to help you with getting your kids lined up. It's not going to help with a lot of things yet, but it is the beginning. It is the seed that you're planting to get things going. So to get started on the Flylady system, do your morning routine and your before bed routine. Again, the before bed routine is wash your face, brush your teeth, moisturize your skin, put on your pajamas, floss your teeth, and also make sure that dishwasher is running, and take your towel from the day, your dish towel, wipe the sink out, go put it in the laundry room and put a fresh one out, so that when you walk in the kitchen in the morning, that little space, that little sink, that little area says, good morning, and it makes you feel good. It makes you ready to get on with more things. So the Flylady system is just 3 levels. The first level is your routines, the second level is your basic weekly plan, and the third level is your zones. So it's just 3 levels, but we have to start somewhere. So start with the morning routine and the before bed routine. Okay, so again, let's go through the morning routine. So let's say you did the evening routine, you went to bed on time, you got pretty good sleep, you woke up at 6 or 7 or whatever time it is that you need to get up, you got out of bed, you didn't just lay there, you got yourself up, you use that self-discipline to make yourself feel better. Self-discipline always makes you feel better. You made your bed, put your clothes on, you went to the bathroom, you brushed your teeth, washed your face, you moisturized your skin. If you wore a little makeup, you put that on, you combed your hair, you swished the toilet bowl, you wiped out the sink, you went to the other bathroom or bathrooms and swished the toilet bowl and wiped out the sink, and went to the kitchen and emptied the dishes, and then you made yourself a cup of coffee or started breakfast for yourself or the family. That's the morning routine. There are other routines we do in the morning, but that is the morning routine. The other routines we do in the morning is start your laundry, go through your paper clutter, and maybe do a clutter check, but you're not in shape to do that yet. Just do these 2 things. Morning routine, before bed routine. So you've gone through your day, you've done what you can, try not to go crazy, try to have some rest time during the day, stay on top of the kids, make sure that they're not going crazy, but don't be rude or mean or cruel. I know you won't, but I'm just reminding you. Be kind, be firm but kind with your family. And then after dinner, you clean up your dinner dishes, do the best you can. You're going to get into the details later. And then do your before bed routine. Take your shower, wash your face, brush your teeth, moisturize your skin, put on your pajamas, lay your clothes out for tomorrow. I know that that is a real big hang up for a lot of people. It's like, Kat, why? They're hanging in the closet. Why do I need to do that? Well, it's because you take the time to lay something out for yourself. So let's say that tomorrow you're going to stay home all day. It's going to be a warm day. You want to wear some shorts or some capris or some jeans and a t-shirt and flip-flops. So you think, well, that's not fancy. I don't need to lay that out. Well, yeah, it is important to lay it out. So let's say you picked out your white t-shirt, your jeans, and your gray flip-flops, and you left them on the countertop or in the bathroom, or you hung them behind the door, or you put them on your dresser, someplace you can get to them in the morning. In the morning when you put them on, you put on your jeans, you put on your little white t-shirt, you put on your flip-flops, and you say, that looked pretty cute. That's a pretty cute little outfit. It doesn't matter. If you went to the closet and picked that out, you'd say, what am I going to wear? I don't want to wear that. I don't want to wear that. I don't want to wear that. That's too hot. That's too cold. I guess I'll wear my jeans. What shirt? Ugh. I'm just going to use this white t-shirt. I guess I'll just put on my flip-flops. And so it's like a default dressing, and it doesn't feel good. But when you picked it out for yourself and you put it on in the morning, because there's nothing wrong with any of your clothes, it's just the way you think about them. So when you put them on and you've laid them out, it makes you feel good. Let's say you had something you had to do. You had to go to the dentist in the morning. And so you picked out a blouse, maybe just a little top like this, and you picked out a pair of capris, and you picked out a little pair of sandals, and you put those out. In the morning, you're running around, you've got to go to the dentist, oh, things are running longer than you thought, let me get my clothes on, let me make this bed, let me wash my face and brush my teeth and put on my moisturizer, put on my makeup, comb my hair, maybe I'll put on some earrings today, a little perfume, maybe not, I'm going to the dentist, no perfume. I'm going to swish and swipe, that's what it's called when you do the toilet bowl with your toilet brush and wipe out the sink, it's called swish and swipe. And it's important that you do that because you deserve a clean toilet and you deserve not to worry about whether anyone else is using a clean toilet. It doesn't mean you're on your hands and knees wiping the floor, wiping the outside of the bowl. It means you're spraying a little something in the toilet bowl. I use Mrs. Meyer's. Right now I'm using fresh cut grass. I love it. There's a link below for Grove Collaborative if you want to get some things through them. But spray your bottle, take your toilet brush, go around the bowl a couple times, flush the toilet. Nothing fancy. If you want to, after you wipe your sink, which you do the same thing, wipe your sink just once or twice around. I don't mean you have to wipe the counters and wipe the faucets, just wipe the sink. If you want to wipe the faucets, you can, but in general, just wipe the sink. Then you could take that cloth and wipe the toilet seat, the lid, and then take that to the laundry room and let it dry, and then wash it with your other towels and washcloths when the time comes. I keep a stack of 7 of those under each sink that I have in my house, so that I always have a clean one, not the kitchen sink. I have cloths for the kitchen, but under the bathroom sinks, I keep 7 cloths. You can go to the Dollar Tree and buy some cheap little cloths to have underneath the sinks. Then you'll always have 7, so we can put them in the laundry once a week. And you use one a day, you'll always have fresh, clean cloths to use in the bathroom. So that's what I want you to do as a starting point for the Flylady system, your morning routine, and then your evening routine, and that's it. So have a wonderful day. Try this out, try it for a week, see how you do. Do the best you can with the other things. Don't worry about the details. When you get a chance, watch how to do the Flylady system for newbies. Take notes. Make sure you start absorbing what that is, and then slowly but surely you can add in all the routines, and then the zone, and then the basic weekly plan, and then the zone. Okay? 3 layers. All right, that's it for today. Have a wonderful day, and always remember to be beautiful, because you are beautiful.